hear.com Horizon app allows you to control your Horizon hearing aids discreetly and intuitively from your smartphone. With the Horizon app, you can stream music or phone calls directly to your hearing aids and customize your hearing aid settings to maximize the benefit of your Horizon hearing aids. After opening the app, in the center of the home screen, you can adjust the volume of your hearing aids simply by moving the volume slider up and down. You can do this separately for your left and right hearing aid, or you can tap the sync button below the sliders to control the volume of both hearing aids simultaneously. To optimize your hearing experience for different hearing environments, there is a selection of innovative Horizon-specific hearing programs to choose from right above the volume control. For noisy and crowded environments such as restaurants and bars, select Speech Focus. This Horizon proprietary setting allows you to clearly understand speech even in the most challenging listening environments. Whenever you spend time out in nature and want to make sure you hear everything that is going on in your surroundings, select Panorama Effect to experience a unique all-around listening experience. Additional Horizon-specific amplification modes are available by tapping My Mode. Modes to choose from are Music Mode, Active Mode, Comfort Mode, and Relax Mode. Music Mode is perfect when visiting concerts, listening to music at home, or streaming straight from your smartphone. It allows you to hear the music the way it is intended to sound. Active Mode allows you to hear well while being active. Whether you are out fishing, playing golf, tennis, thanks to its wind-suppressing feature, Active Mode is your go-to mode for good hearing and understanding when being active. While Comfort Mode softens background noise in loud places, Relax Mode allows you to disconnect in any environment by turning off amplification and instead has you listening to soothing ocean sounds. To select a mode, tap onto it and hit OK at the bottom of the screen. This will take you back to the home screen. Alternatively, if you do not want to select any mode and just return to the home screen, tap the white arrow on top left. Back on your home screen, right above the Horizon-specific modes we just went over, you can select between additional modes your provider may have programmed onto your hearing aids. These modes allow you to choose from an even wider range of preset amplification settings customized to different environments. If you do decide to select any of these modes, keep in mind to switch back to Universal Mode to be able to access the Horizon-specific modes previously discussed. To adjust your hearing aid sound balance, select the middle button on the bottom of your screen. By moving the slider, you can control bass and treble. The button on the right allows you to access directional hearing settings. Only the more advanced technology levels come with this feature. This is where you can activate directional hearing and specify which direction you want your hearing aids to focus on when processing sounds. Particularly in noisy environments, this is a helpful feature you will start appreciating. By tapping the top right area on your screen, you can access Bluetooth connection, as well as battery status information. More detailed settings can be found on the top left. Here, you can adjust further hearing aid and app settings as needed. Reach out to hear.com customer service if you need further assistance with the hear.com Horizon app.